In this video I'm looking at using an embossing folder as a foiling template. I'm using this Fruity Blossom pattern one. I don't emboss the card first. I have my embossing folder, then the foil, and then my piece of card. And that goes on my GoPress, which has been warming up. And this has a thin metal shim, and this one's made by CraftsToo. It's 0.3mm thick. There are other thin metal shims available. It's not the adapter plate that comes with the GoPress version 2. That's much thicker. Underneath my shim I've got a piece of 300 GSM cardstock cut to 5x7, and that just fills in the space between the plastic edges. So having got that in place, I'll put the embossing folder onto the GoPress. The embossing folder goes onto the GoPress face down, so it's cardstock, then this foil, then the embossing folder, and then you close the lid without it moving. Close the lid, give it a short time to warm up. You're only waiting for the card and the foil to come up to temperature, not the embossing folder. The foil I'm using for this is a Couture Creations foil. It's almost see-through. Be interesting to see how it comes out. That's now warmed up, so I'm going to roll it through my die cutting machine. My die cutting machine happens to be a Todo, but I'm using it set exactly as I would if I was foiling with a Couture Creations hot foil template, one of the metal ones, and I'm just going to bring my roller across once. I've rolled across, and the end of the embossing folder is just sticking out under the end of the roller. That's fine, that just slides around there. So I'm going to take this back over to the base plate. And we can see what we've got. So the embossing folder is fine, a little bit warm, but it's not warping. And now for the big reveal. And I think that is pretty.